annualcreditreport.com credit score tool review usage experience. Welcome to my review of annualcreditreport.com credit score tool. Links to the product are added in the description below, so be sure to check them out if you're interested. Let's dive straight into its features, target audience, and how it helps you manage your credit effectively. Annualcreditreport.com is the official site authorized by federal law to provide free annual access to your credit reports from the three major credit bureaus: Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Unlike other tools that focus on scores alone, this platform emphasizes detailed credit reports, giving users a clear picture of their credit history. This is crucial because your credit report forms the foundation of your credit score and helps identify inaccuracies that might be affecting it. One key feature of this tool is that it allows you to obtain one free report from each bureau every 12 months, making it ideal for periodic checks to ensure your credit history is accurate. Since the COVID-19 pandemic, the site has also offered free weekly access to credit reports, a significant enhancement for those monitoring their credit closely. The platform's simple interface ensures ease of use, but note that it doesn't provide your credit score. It's purely focused on delivering detailed credit reports. However, the wealth of information in these reports, such as payment history, credit inquiries, account balances, and derogatory marks, makes it an invaluable resource for understanding your financial standing. Annualcreditreport.com is best suited for anyone who wants to verify the accuracy of their credit history, monitor for identity theft or fraud, and ensure their financial data is correct before applying for loans, mortgages, or credit cards. If you're looking for actionable insights, pairing this service with tools that provide credit scores might be helpful. In conclusion, annualcreditreport.com is an essential tool for responsible financial management. Its comprehensive and trustworthy reports make it a go-to for anyone serious about maintaining accurate credit information. Don't forget to check out the links in the description to learn more and start accessing your credit reports today.